Welcome to the International Night and to Ukraine. Tonight we come together to celebrate our diversity, to share our love and pride for our countries, our heritage and our traditions, to show our interest and our respect in each other's cultures. But most of all, we come together to celebrate our diversity and a shared hope that with the example we set, our world will become a friendlier and better place for our children's future.
It's an inspiring place where our cultural diversity is accepted, appreciated and celebrated.
Our table this evening is put together with chicken nuggets, a little bit of chili, home cooking, pulled pork barbecue, popcorn, you name it, we've got it. The kids love it.
You can very easily discover exciting new corners of the world without leaving Kyiv. There's perhaps no better way to experience another culture than tasting homemade food and listening to other cultures' music and find out what we have in common rather than what separates us.
Following a great tradition established last year, PTA have organized the art space for our students, which could be attended during the International Night. The main idea of it was that the children learn different arts from around the world. But we've come to realize that arts is international. It unites people of all nations.
This year we have a silent auction where country baskets are generously donated by different countries from our community. Money raised will go to the students-led projects. For me and my family, it's a moment where we make and meet friends at our country tables, where we share food for love and love for food.
We're on an equal tangent and we just are loving the entire evening and we don't want this evening to end at all. We want to come to school on Monday straight from here, from the gym.